Greetings to everyone. Thanks to Beta and Emma for inviting us as a headline sponsor of the event. We truly appreciate the support from Beta Association and its members, and excited to be the gold sponsor of Youth Travel Workshop today. Last year's workshop proved highly beneficial to our business and partners, and it has been an excellent platform for negotiating new business and driving new leads. Londonist believes that the best home away from home experience can be created with the help of an inspired team, innovative technology and partnerships. This mission guides us in providing students and partners with a seamless accommodation experience. Our latest student booking data indicates that the demand for student residences currently is at unprecedented levels. Accommodation bookings have exceeded pre-pandemic levels. The past year has seen a rise in demand for accommodation, offering studio rooms and short-term stays. Students increasingly expect facilities and services such as communal areas, gym and organized activities. While Londonist central locations are always in high demand, the current climate has only highlighted the benefit of booking student residences due to the additional support. The significant growth in bookings and revenue led to our largest advertising investment, Move with Londonist. We have just concluded advertising campaigns on London buses, underground stations, bus stands and lampposts. This year also marks our significant portfolio addition. We added the North Lodge residence in June, and within the last 12 months, our accommodation capacity has increased from approximately 800 to over 1,500 rooms and counting. In addition, we are working on expanding our portfolio out of London in the UK. We are one of the few accommodation companies to combine a self-serve student application with events and experience discovery. Having tracked trends in the accommodation sector over the past year, we have responded by launching an online student portal offering students a one-stop destination for managing reservations for London attractions and services. This allows students to discover local events and experiences. We at Londonist believe that industry awards are an acknowledgement of the efforts businesses are making to enhance the experience of students and partners. And on that note, this year has been phenomenal for us. With the recognition at Razzie Awards, we received highly commended recognition in the Sales and Letting Agency category. ST Star Awards, we won the ST Star Service Provider of the Year for the third time in a row. And Pioneer Awards, we are winner in the category of International Student Living. This award celebrates innovation and achievement in global education. We would not have achieved this without the resilience and support demonstrated by Beta partners, school and agencies, and these consolidate our drive to provide students the best home away from home experience.